Oh, my mistake. It just went down again. So that's done. We've done the second one. Okay. Now we can open up this one again. And now the last one. Yeah, great. The last one is, as you guys can see, 100.80, and the difference is 22.80. Okay. Now, what do you guys think we have to do? Yeah, obviously, we have to go back here and click which code are we using. Let's go back to check. Yeah, we are using the remove code. Okay, good. We use the remove code. We'll select it, which is code 200. And what are we removing? We are removing 22.80. Okay, now 22.80. Click enter. And where we're removing the amount from, we'll go back and we'll say 174. Okay, yeah, we'll go back here, and the end, it ends with 174. And right here, done. That is done and dusted. Okay, wonderful, guys. So this is how the allocation is done. But how do we know that we're correct? That's where I change myself into a trainer. So before I change myself into a trainer, I need to send this to a trainer. Let's imagine we've sent it and our trainer receives it. Yeah. So now our trainer's received it. So I'm now a trainer. So what I can do is go into settings, then intelligent trend, then on.
I will now automatically allocate all your operation and show you a detailed breakdown per IND account. This will take less than 60 seconds. Thanks for waiting. I have now finished all allocation. I have also prepared a graph for you to have an easy view if you wish.
Well, guys, a trainer can see this, or a student can look at this. Okay, either way, both people can see it. Now this is where we check to see if we are correct. This is the tension part, right? Now we'll open this up, we'll minimize it, not minimize but reduce the amount, and right here. So here, this is the moment of truth. So as we can see, the last one, balance remaining, is 78, and we've got 78 for required balance. For the second to the last one is 28. We got that for this one. Then that, okay, we're getting good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Now this is done. Okay, guys. Great, great, great. Now this is done. The reason why that you guys might be wondering, but we did more than 3. We made 4. The reason why there's no 4 was because, remember, I said the difference is the same amount, so there's nothing for us to do, right? Great. Now as you guys can see, that's done. We've brought out all the answers. Yeah, easy to see, easy like that. Okay, so now I am a trainer. I have checked this and I can say you passed this question because it's correct. And now, as a trainer, I can go back to my answer place and see if I got it correct. Yeah. So now I can see if he actually got it correct or not. Okay. So I can see he did. Yes, he got the last one correct. Yes, he got it correct. The next one he got it. Wait, let's move it here. I can see the next one he got it correct, The next one, he got it correct here. He or she, it's not always a he, so he or she got it correct. And the last one is fine. Okay, so that is done, right? Now, perfect, yeah? So as a trainer, I can send this back to my trainee or student saying, yes, you got this correct. Well done. Good job. Okay, now this is the end of the video. Hope you guys understand now how to use the allocation part. If not, please rewind this video as many times as you need to understand. Okay, alright guys, just want to say bye. Thank you for watching. If you're new, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay guys, bye, see you, have a nice day, bye.